So here, I went long ES because it still has to get to its buy side. It's about in the middle of its overnight session range. It broke above it, so that's a bullish market structure shift. And my stop is 5 to make 10. So simple 2R. Yeah. Let's just see how it goes. This is just simply on the 5-minute. Let me pull out my trading view to show you guys. You can see DXY started to bleed down weekend, so indices are rallying up, and I don't think DXY is going to hold because, well, it just ran through a lot of fair value gaps in this order block, and this is like unbalanced price range, right? There was no sell side offered here, so I think ES could definitely pull up to another 10 points pretty easily. And my stop is basically like this fair value gap in the middle of the overnight session. Yeah, so the overnight session goes from 5 to 9. Just draw it out. And more information on this is at TCM, the currency merchant. Yeah, so we're above now 50% of it. This is all, so we shouldn't really be rallying higher because this is all efficiently traded. So it's clearly reaching for the high of the overnight session here. My stop, like I want this fair value gap to act as support. So my stop is a little bit wider. It's, I think, here. It's just a 5-point stop though, so it's chill. I want this. This is another fair value gap, I believe. Yeah. So that's why. And yeah, I think it's reaching for higher prices. Especially NQ is so strong. NQ, the 5 and the 1. They reached the overnight session high here. I calculate this manipulation. I think I can go to -2. So there's also like CE of this wick, so I think that should be okay. But yeah, I just see on ES is just like a clear stop structure. So that's what we're doing. Yep. Risking 500 to make 1,000. And yeah, I'm risking a little bit less than usual because it's Monday, no news. I'm not really pushing it. It's August. I don't really mind if I get stopped out. It's not going to bother me. I'm scared. 5 to make 10. Pretty simple. I didn't even look on the lower time frame because I don't need to. I think like you can get definitely confused in this situation. You know, like, oh no, there could be a stop run here, no problem. But like that could still be bullish, you know? So I don't want to really overcomplicate things. I don't want to be looking too deeply. Though like DXY looking weak. Could obviously retrace, but like it broke this order block. It's 10:30. I'd honestly like this to rally by 11 because that's like London close. And I have a copy trader on, so I copy this across 2 accounts. It would be a good Monday. No, honestly, if this is like my only trade of the day, I'll be really happy. Let's go ES. And you see here it did do some sort of like lower time frame on the 1 minute, some sort of liquidity run in here. Like this could psych some people out, but it's really nothing. You know, these times like I really like the 1 minute. But sometimes I just don't like to overcomplicate it. If there's like no The structure is a little bit like weird, like this, just go on the 5. Because clearly it's just like curling, just curling up. There's no like 5-minute breaker with a fair value gap tied to it. When there is, then I love to go on the 1 minute and then like refine my entry. But I mean, it's a 5-point stop on ES. Like, I don't really need to, I don't feel the need to go and like refine it even more, if that makes sense, you know? If it was like 10 points, then obviously, but if it's a 5-point stop or less, I'm fine with it. Okay. Here we go. This is where ICT says like 5 points handled, 5 handles handled. But you know, it's going for more. It's not. There's no reason for it to stop here. So I'm just gonna hold out for the 2R. And at this point, it shouldn't come back and do another, you know, opposing liquidity run. It should just continue. We're into expansion mode, so I'm going to move my stop up to this, below this fair value gap, because now this is a balanced price range, so we shouldn't come back and break below it. So I'll move it up. Now I'm only risking $250 to make an additional 500, so it's still 2R dynamic. Okay. Now we just wait. It's a waiting game. The most annoying part. Because when you're forward testing, you can just like skip ahead and just go next candle, next candle, next candle, right? But in real life, you have to like watch these candles print, watch your PN. I don't really like to watch my P&L. It is on another monitor, but yeah, I don't like to watch it, but I watch like the points, you know, increase. Alright, let's get some expansion here. You got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. By the way, this overnight session strategy that I use is on the currency merchant. Alright, there we go. The currency merchant has a whole YouTube series on this. And anyway, there we go. Profit target hit. See, got 1K on both accounts. Pretty cool. My day is done. Happy Monday, everyone.